In this video, I'll show you where to get coupon codes for Subway. If you find this video useful, please drop a like and sub to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into it. Alright, open up any web browser, head on over to Google. Now in the Google search bar, type in coupon codes for Subway, then hit search, and now you'll be brought to a whole list of results here inside Google. So you got coupon follow promo codes for Subway in June 2024, 50% off. I'm making this video in June 2024. You got Frugal Feeds, you got Retail Me Not, coupons.com. So you got all the big players here that are offering promo or discount codes. So what you can do is click on any one of these sites to find a coupon code. But for this demonstration, I'm going to use couponfollow.com. This is a great place to get coupons or promo deals. So as you can see, if I scroll down, you got all these different offers. You got buy one footlong, get one free, 50% off coupon code. So to activate any one of these deals, you can even see these are verified as well. So buy one, get one for free. So to activate any one of these deals, simply click onto it. Now click on copy, and now paste this code at the checkout section of Subway to get one free footlong when you buy one footlong. These codes do change daily or weekly on these third-party sites, so be sure to check them out every so often to find different deals.